Hey guys, welcome back to Bisayan Crafter channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a reverse canvas tutorial on how to make a wall art using a permanent vinyl. Those who love DIYs and for those who love to decorate their home with wall decor, this is a lovely idea for you to consider as it is super easy and also affordable. You can explore with so many wall art designs. So to start off, you will be needing a canvas, some acrylic paints, box cutter, a permanent vinyl, weeding tool, and a mud podge. You can check out your local craft store in the art section. I will leave a link on the description box for the materials that I used in this video. So first, let's go to the design space. I will show you how I made my wall art design. And if you have some nice passage in mind and would like to make a wall decor out of it, then please watch this video till the end. And by the way, I will leave a link of the font that I used here as well. I would suggest to download as many nice fonts as you like in your system, just so you can add some glyphs or swashes in your texts like the one I have here. Alright, so let's move along. So we are done with our design. Now let's go ahead and cut the vinyl. I'm using the permanent vinyl here from Expressions Vinyl, and again, link will be provided in the description box. So what I have here are acrylic neon paints and a foam. I would like my canvas to be painted with neon acrylic colors as I'd like to have that glow in the dark effect. You can leave your canvas unpainted if you wish to. In order to remove the canvas sheet from the frame, you will need an X-Acto knife or a box cutter. Just carefully cut the canvas on the outside of the staples, and the remaining canvas strip can be easily pulled out. You can either remove the staples on the frame or just leave as is, as it can be covered with canvas later on. Don't worry about the edges of the canvas folding up, as they will end up being cut off anyway. You can stain the edges of your frame, but in my case, I'd like to leave it as is. And please also make sure to measure the inside of the frame and take those dimensions into your design space, so you will have an idea of how much of your design will fit into the frame. So what I like to do after putting the vinyl onto the canvas is I use Mod Podge to coat over my vinyl decal to seal around the edges. This process will protect your vinyl design, keeping the colors vibrant and prevent it from peeling. Choose a Mod Podge formula that works with the surface. What I have right now is the Mod Podge matte. This works as well in sealing your vinyl. Just pour some of the Mod Podge into a plastic cup, which you won't mind throwing afterwards. Use a brush or a sponge and dip into the sealant. You want to give your vinyl an even coat of Mod Podge. So just make sure to work in thin layers, giving the seal plenty of time to dry. So that wraps up our wall art reverse canvas tutorial using CRICUT. I'll see you all again on my next video. Please subscribe to Design Crafter if you haven't yet. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep safe everyone.